What's up guys, today I'll be doing another quick tutorial on how to upload an iMovie video to Instagram. Just before the video starts, make sure to comment below what tutorial you want to see next. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is make your movie. So you'll open up iMovie and I'll just use this movie. It's just a quick 15-second video I'll use as an example. And you're going to want to hit the airdrop button in the bottom of your screen in the middle. And then you'll want to hit save video, which will have a box and an arrow pointing down as its icon. And you'll want to save your video as high quality as possible. So for me, that's 1080p. Just do whatever the highest option is for you. And it'll say movie has exported to photo library, which means that it has been downloaded. You will then want to open up Instagram. Here's my Instagram, by the way, @InfiniteSkills. And then hit the cross in the top right corner next to the 3 bars. Then you'll want to select post up the top. And the iMovie video you just saved should be the first one on screen because it's the most recently saved. If not, you can just scroll down and find it. Then you hit next, next again, and there you go. Then you can hit share and the video will be posted. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to comment below what tutorial you want to see next or if you have any suggestions. Also smash a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. But I'll see you next time guys. Goodbye.